Before your first scan, please visit the support download page on the official website to download Revo Metro for the scanner. Connect the USB Type-C to Type-C cable to the power adapter. Power on the scanner and connect it to the PC's USB 3.0 Type-C port. Assemble the scanner and the battery grip. Connect the scanner to the battery grip to supply power. Find and connect to the Wi-Fi network MetroY Ultra XX on your PC. Open Revo Metro, wait for the scanner to connect, then begin scanning. MetroY Ultra also supports wireless casting to a phone via Revo Mirror. For detailed operations, please watch the Revo Mirror screen mirroring tutorial.